Today we're gonna make you rich because I'm about to share something that is gonna go absolutely to the moon. Okay, so recently I made a video about how to use Metamask, and you have all seen how useful, amazing. I mean, that's what it is now, but it really shouldn't be that difficult to use, I think. I hope you understood the difference in the different blockchains that people are using. And to be quite honest, it is a bit of a, what we call in Australia, a bit of a shit show. So we are looking at this new wallet here called Crosswallet, and Crosswallet is super duper exciting right now. Okay, so in the last 7 days, we actually had a huge pump all the way up to, I think that was 40 cents. Yeah, that was crazy. A lot of people who were watching my channel and, and people who were looking at my stuff, they got in at around about 20 cents, but boom, there it is. 40 cents is what it went up to. It's now consolidating again. I think it's ready to start moving back up, and it just keeps beating the previous highs, which is really encouraging to see. So what even is Crosswallet? So we're gonna have a look at the Crosswallet website. With a single click cross-chain swaps, Crosswallet is the ultimate crypto wallet and DEX aggregator, which is great. So, when I was trying to stake the, what was it called? The Time Wonderland crypto on the Avalanche network, right? The money that I had in the ERC blockchain will then have to be converted through what's called a bridge. And sometimes you have to take a few bridges over so that you actually get to the area that you want to end up in. And it's just a freaking nightmare. You always have to rely on a centralized exchange like your Binance or Kraken, and then you have to then make sure that you're on the right blockchain and send over. It's just, and you know what, the market is moving so that, more and more people are going to be receiving their salaries and, whatever money they want to transact through their non-custodial wallets. And they come in a particular blockchain that you might not necessarily like. That means you got to then convert it over to other blockchains so that you can do fun stuff like staking on, I don't know, like I explained to you already, the Time Wonderland, and also you can stake it on other, I don't know, I think PiDAO is offering bloody 160% APY, and I think this one is on BSC. That's right. So then you need money in BSC, all right? So then you gotta, shift it all over the shop. It's just too much work. So what is happening with Crosswallet is that they are making it just like one click, and the interface looks good. And the reason why I'm so excited about this, right, is because it is literally the one wallet that you'll ever need. The wallet space right now, guys, is so saturated. It's ridiculous. You got Trust Wallet, you got Metamask, you got that many wallets in Solana network, which has got Phantom and a whole bunch of, you got Ledger. I think they all pretty much do the same bloody thing so far. There's nothing cool about any of these wallets. The reason why Metamask is better than, for example, Trust Wallet is that more people use Metamask. That's about it. They're all complex. And the other day, bloody Trust Wallet took out the browsing functionality on the iPhone application. So that kind of took a bunch of users out of the Trust Wallet platform. And that was just really crap. They all just do the same thing. Nobody has introduced this cross swap, which will be really amazing. And the technology behind it is solid. Hasn't even come out yet, guys. Hasn't even come out, and people are jumping on the board with it. The social media is just popping off. I'm talking about it. We've got Crypto Mason on TikTok that's talking about it. There's just so many people that are on this channel, right, of talking about this cross wallet that's going to revolutionize the wallet sector of cryptocurrency. So what do we think that this is going to absolutely moon? Potentially 50 to 100x. Well, this is how much cross wallet is now. It's already so far above what I expected it to go up so quickly already, guys. And it's still not too late, because check out the market cap on Cross Wallet, guys. We have 32 million in the Cross Wallet. And you know what? We all heard of Trust Wallet, right? We're gonna look at Trust Wallet, TWT, right? Trust Wallet token. And Trust Wallet token is sitting at a whopping $400 million market cap. And it is, by technology, a much crappier option. Now, then we have to figure out how good is their promise, right, on delivering their product, okay? Well, then we go have a look at the Cross Wallet website, and we're gonna have a look at their roadmap, okay? We're in Q4 right now, okay? 2021, DApp Public Invitation Program, cross-chain atomic soft, ADA support, all of these things here. Okay, so we've seen the latest update on their Twitter. And in their Twitter, we're already seeing updates of their latest alpha testing. Look at that. And it gives you a guide on how to add the tokens on the Cross Wallet. Now, I haven't actually looked at it, and I'm, I'm just waiting for the full launch on this one. But when it does fully launch, it's going to be an absolute cracker. And if we do get to that, 400 million market cap that we saw on Trust Wallet, and I think it could go at least to the level of Trust Wallet and even potentially further beyond that. So if we look at where Cross Wallet is right now, 32 million, million. And then we got 439 million on Trust Wallet. We're looking at least 10xing from here, guys. And of course, you guys can take various profits along the way. Good example of that would have been literally, less than 24 hours ago when it did like peak above this bloody, actually it's not showing here, is it? Oh, it did peak quite high. I think it's not showing that peak here, but it did go peak above that 40 cents, which was absolutely nuts. Where can you buy them? Of course, you can go to PancakeSwap for this one. You are gonna need some BNB to buy some CWT. Obviously, you're gonna have to do that by putting in some money into your Binance Smart Chain wallet, which you can do through Metamask. And then from there, you can then buy the CWT token. It has dipped from a previous like moon. So I'd say this is not a bad place to get into right now. The consolidation is looking promising and it is, turning its head upwards at the moment. So we're looking very promising on Crosswallet, guys. I hope you can do your own research around this coin, guys. I am only introducing this coin to you for your, your direction, your general pointing of research so that you can land on good coins that are going to do well into the future so that you can actually become rich making, $500 to $1,000 investment. That's what I'm here for, guys. So that was my DGen pick for today. It's not even that DGen because it has a fantastic use case. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. Make sure you go like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell so that you can stay up to date with the latest in crypto and what's going to make you money in this new Wi-Fi digital place, bread earning. I can't talk today. I'll see you later. Peace.